For today's lunch, Jilly has designed a starter inspired by dim sum and based around the local favourite roast duck.
Are you going to serve it pink like European style?
Yeah. Most of the duck I've seen has been cooked through.
Yeah.
But then, you know, at the restaurant yesterday, you know, a lot of the meat there was served pink. You know, is that kind of east meets west.
To accompany the duck, Jilly's making a hoisin sauce from black bean paste
It's fusion cooking.
and pot sticker dumplings.
The pot sticker fried on one side, so crispy on one side, and then steamed on the top, so soft on top, filled with duck meat.
There's 90 minutes until the VIP guests arrive.
Our four have really stepped up to the mark, keeping their own personality on the plates, but at the same time, the influences of Hong Kong will be able to see through every single dish.
John, if they get this right, it could be magical.
Jilly's duck breasts have been cooked on the crown.
I'm going to take the breast off and then pan fry it at the end.
And she's confit the leg meat to make a filling for her dumplings.
There's a certain technique, and once you got it, it's OK, but until that point, it can be a bit messy. Getting there. Next one's will be better. It's the attitude.
For the starter is pan-fried duck with hoisin sauce. Chinese, they would like the duck a little bit more cooked. Western cuisine, it would be more pink. Pot sticker dumpling.
我諗魚最緊要就係時間嘅掌握啦，蒸得熟個頭就唔好咯。
Jilly, your things.
Oh. Burnt.
Jilly has just burnt a complete batch of pot stickers.
Yeah, they're done. Burnt.
I'm not sure she's going to have the time to do another batch.
What can we do?
It's OK, listen, you've got still stuff to do, have you not?
It doesn't matter, you can help me after. What can I do now? Do you want these in circles?
Yeah.
And then you can help me, so I've got loads to do.
Cheers. We've got a few minutes, so we're going to try and get something together.
You're fine.
Is everything else ready, Jilly, besides that?
Yeah, everything else. Just the pot stickers need to go on.
Right.
That's it.
OK, Jilly, I can help.
Cheers.
Don't burn them. Lovely colour.
I like that a lot. You weren't presenting dishes like this a month ago. Look at that.
Yeah, service, please.
Jilly has served pan-fried roast duck breast with spring onion puree, pot sticker dumplings filled with confit duck leg, pak choy and mushrooms, pickled cucumber, chive oil, and a hoisin sauce.
It's just literally one mistake. You just take your eye off something. I was cutting the duck, and then they just burnt on the bottom.
Like the duck, it looked quite pink for me, but the skin is very crispy.
The hoisin sauce is actually quite nice. The flavor inside is powerful, so I think the balance is there.
The spring onion puree is very smooth. In terms of flavor, it's quite balanced. I think it's quite well done.
I wanted to congratulate you guys for your efforts. It was really, really spectacular. I think there were some dishes at a very high restaurant level. So you guys should be very proud of yourself. So congratulations.
What an amazing experience. We brought our four to this incredible city of Hong Kong, and they have immersed themselves in it. What will that do to them as cooks from here on in?